In this animation, we will learn about metals in nature. Actually, most metals occur in nature as compounds, which are chemically combined with other elements. When solid chemical elements and compounds occur in their pure form in nature, they are known also as minerals. So minerals are chemical elements or compounds which occur in their pure form in nature. Minerals often occur as crystals in rocks. Actually, if there's enough of a particular metal in a type of rock or mineral to make it economic to extract, then this rock or mineral will be called an ore of that metal. For example, in this figure we have hematite, which is an ore of iron. So inside this rock there is iron. This is bauxite, which is an ore of aluminum. So aluminum will be extracted from this rock. In order to get the metal from its ore, we have to separate the metal compound from other chemicals in the rock. So usually the metal will be in a compound. This means that we have to separate the metal compound from other chemicals in the rock. Then we will extract the metal from its compound. It's usually easier to complete this last step, which is the extraction of the metal from the compound, for less reactive metals. Keep in mind that reactive metals have a greater tendency to form stable compounds. So the less reactive metal will form a less stable compound, and thus it will be easier to extract it. On the other hand, some metals are said to be found native if they occur in nature as the element itself, such as gold. Let's answer now some questions. What is a metal ore? Is it a mixture of minerals, a rock or mineral that contains a metal in sufficient amounts to make it economically worthwhile to extract the metal? Or it's a naturally occurring quantity of the pure metal? Which of these statements describe a metal ore? Excellent. A metal ore is a rock or mineral which contains a metal in sufficient or enough amounts to make it economically worthwhile to extract the metal. Let's now match the metal to its ore below. The metals are aluminum, iron, and copper. The names of the ores are bauxite, chalcocite, and hematite. Match each metal with its ore. Excellent. So these are the names of the ores of each metal.